Hey everyone, it is day 22 of our 31-day celebration. Can you believe we were just talking in the office that we're almost done? Temptations Days is almost coming to an end, at least for the month of August. But we'll carry through Temptations Days all year round, right? So I wanted to check in, see what everybody is loving, and also give you a couple of sneak peeks on some of the things you haven't seen. Hello, Matthew Angelo, first one on the board. Love it. We are going to be doing, hello, Lourdes. We're going to be doing some sneak peeks and showing you some of the items over my shoulder that you haven't seen yet. So not sure if you heard, QVC changed their programming for Sunday. So we won't have that full hour, but they're going to already share all the new items with you starting on Friday. So is that tomorrow? During David's holidays. Oh, holiday. Oh, hi, Karen. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Dawn. Hi, everybody. Hello, Aubrey. Good to see you guys. Rosalia, hello. I saw all your boxes. Have you unpacked everything? I saw Mary Miller. She unpacked everything, said everything was beautiful, and she was already using it. I just love it. Love, love, love. And I'm curious. Finally caught you. Yay. And I'm curious. Oh, Lisa Lasorte's on the board. Hi, Lisa. She's also right there. Oh, did I make everybody seasick there? Sorry about that. So yeah, sneak peeks. Yay. Hi, Lisa. This is funny. Usually, oh, Ed Tesher just jumped on. And there's Ed. So this was actually Ed's idea to give you all a sneak peek today on the things you haven't seen yet. I see a teapot behind you. Yes, you do. Limited edition. So super excited about that. So they changed their programming a little bit, but we're going to be on throughout the weekend. We'll be on in David's show on Friday night. I believe we're first up at 7 p.m. Eastern. So check that out. And these products that we created and developed are limited edition. So there's only a small amount and we're not going to do them again. So how fun is that? I think there's some of these great keepsakes and moments that are really fun and really special for our brand. So hello, everybody. Hello, Barbara. Hi, Tammy. Hi, Karen. I realize now that I probably could have put lip gloss on, so forgive me. All right, so is everybody ready to see some of the new items? I spy Christmas behind you. That's what I'm gonna sneak peek you. I'm grabbing a chair too because I want to get up close and personal. Then I decided while I was doing this that wouldn't it be hilarious if I fell down and then it would be some type of video. Sure. So I'm gonna be careful as I stand up here, but hello, Noel, Ed rocks. True story. Truer words have never been spoken. Okay, so let's show you some of and again, I don't know exactly when they're going to come out. I'll show you what I do know, but really want you to know. Okay, so hold on. I'm going to step up on this chair. Oh boy. Okay. Everyone in the office is completely obsessed with this holiday dinnerware. Dinner plate with the Merry Christmas. Look how adorable all the details are, even all the little Christmas trees. The one that you see right here with the, guess who that is? You remember, that's Wembley, of course. And then take a peek over here. That's your salad or dessert plate, which is a little present. So if you don't love the whimsy, which is fine, Ed writes, that's right. Okay. Truer words have never been spoken. So if you don't love the whimsy, that's okay. We actually did a very elegant, beautiful, almost porcelain white dinner plate, red salad plate with that gorgeous, look at that, the holly, the beautiful berries, everything that you see there. Absolutely stunning. Sorry, I know it's a little shaded in here. I am trying the best that I can. So that, when you asked for holiday dinnerware, is really, really fun, and we're super excited about that. Okay, what are one of the items you're gonna see in David's show tomorrow? Adorable gingerbread house that, yes, is a cookie jar. So you'll see, Mary Miller, I was just talking about you. Were your ears burning? I love that you posted all your goodies and told us that you were loving it. So thank you guys for all of that. We're dying to know what your reviews are on the kitchen and towels, the Mitten Cat towel set. So let us know that for sure as soon as possible. But look at this. So we have the little gingerbread. You have the adorable snowman eating his cookies. And then 360 degrees of absolute cuteness. It has a gasket. Look at the adorable trees and the little cardinal, of course, I do in honor of my dad. Did you notice the sweet little rolling pins at the bottom of the windows. So all of the details, everything you love. So it's a choice of your gingerbread, and then look how beautiful this is. And I have to just take a minute. When I was growing up, my dad always set out the village, and I'm going to get emotional. And he would always put down the beautiful like fake cotton that looked like snow and the glitter. And my sister and I, my mom would observe, and my sister and I would set up the whole village with him. And so I really wanted to create kind of an homage to him and do a beautiful cookie jar that also is a church that you could layer in as part of your village. So look how sweet. It even looks like the lights are on the inside. You have the beautiful bows that are hanging here on the outside. Even the trees are decorated. I have to say, it exceeded my expectations. I am so excited. And this is why we are calling these our limited edition. There's not a lot to go around, but that was created special there. Who noticed the whimsy clock? Okay, stop shaking it, Tara, so they can see. So our clocks, you have been loving them. How fun to do something really sweet. It comes in a gift box. So you have your whimsy, or we did one of our beautiful metallics. So many of you have been asking. I'm going to try to move things around a little bit. Oh boy. Ooh, bear with me. Okay, so there's our metallic, silver and gold. Love this. I mean, I know a lot of you have stainless steel appliances. I know a lot of you use gold accents. So this really, where the festive one, the whimsy, might be a little more specific, this is something that I think you would want to leave out all the time. Did someone spy mixing bowls in polka dot? Okay, take a peek at these. These are concentric. They all nest down, and I'll show you those in a moment. So look at that. Your largest one is going to be your cream. Second largest is your red, your black polka dots, your blue polka dots, your green polka dots, all in one set. Is that adorable? And then look what we did. Choice of in your holiday. So your bowls have all the stories. You have the cardinal, then you have the sleigh, and so on and so on. So love those too. 5 great bowls that nest down. Someone mentioned the teapot. Look at this adorable teapot we did in our Christmas tree motif. I'm actually going to pull this forward. It is so beautiful, no matter which way you're looking. When we talk about centertaining, this is not just a teapot. This is actually part of your centerpiece. You can nestle other things down around it. I envision this on your mantle. I envision even maybe picking up 1 or 2 and anchoring them on your mantle, or even on your sideboard when you come in. So many fun things. And did you see our limited edition of our characters? We did a 16-inch platter. Rosalia said, oh, I need those. And then, of course, we did our adorable little soldier. Love him. Nutcracker. I always want to call him a little soldier, but, you know, he's our nutcracker. Okay, so there's still more than this, but I will tell you, these are the highlights of the things you haven't seen yet that are not even available on QVC.com, that I gave you the ultimate sneak peek in. Ding. Okay, so who's excited? Who's going to join us for Friday? Holiday. And then we're going to be in gift shows, which we are not usually, on Sunday. So 9 a.m. to 11 with Carolyn and Dan. And then what are we sharing then, Lisa? I don't remember. 9 a.m.?
6 p.m. Oh, we have the platter.
The figural platter? So the characters. Good. You'll be seeing those.
And then we have, hold on, stay tuned.
And then at 6 p.m. on Sunday evening, we have the clock. How exciting! We're so excited. So as we know more, we'll continue. I'm stepping down. Hold, please. Okay. As we know more, we will continue to update you. But to the 450 of you who jumped on to check out our sneak peek and say hello, we adore you. And this has been an absolutely incredible month. And truly, I have loved, and Lisa has loved, and the whole team, seeing all of your creations, what you're doing with things, how happy you are. I want that cookie house, absolutely. And I love that you all continue day in and day out to spread the Temptations love. Lisa would like to say something. Hold, please. Yes, Lisa?
Make sure to tell them Wednesday night we have the live studio, so it's going to be so much fun.
Wednesday night, sold out live studio audience. So for those of you who got tickets, Absolutely can't wait to meet all of you. Please don't be shy. Please scream my name, maybe not during the broadcast, but when I come out ahead of time, I would love to meet all of you and say hello. So please do not be shy. I want to squeeze every single one of you. Oh, you know what else I forgot to mention? Did you guys know that QVC is running a special with Temptations for the 31 Days of Temptations? And that is if you spend $100 on Temptations product through Sunday at midnight, the 25th, we're going to send you our Taste of Home holiday cookbook. So you just have to use your Q card and spend $100. And boom, 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 we are going to send you our Taste of Home holiday cookbook, which has over 200 recipes, 70 color photos. And what I love the most about this book is that they're recipes submitted by you and me, regular cooks who love to cook every day. And what we did was we picked our favorite 200, put them in Temptations dishes, and put together a cookbook for you to have. So absolutely love that. Okay, so that is all for now. I am so looking forward to seeing all of you, and hopefully you appreciated your check-in. I think I got everything right. There was something else, if I remember. Was it tonight? When are they supposed to check out Temptations.com? I can't remember.
Oh, tonight.
Is it tonight? Around 6
Maybe like
p.m.?
dinner time. Yeah.
Maybe like 6 p.m. Y'all should check out Temptations.com. Okay, enough said. Can you imagine Lisa let me say all of this today? Okay, good to see you all. I will see you soon, and 22 days of our 31 days of a celebration. Bye. It won't let me finish. See, I'm just not allowed to leave. So I'm just not going to leave. Okay, no, seriously. I got to go. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.